In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate text in Google Sheets using the Google Translate function. Whether you're organizing multilingual data or just need quick translations for a project, this method is fast, reliable, and keeps your original content intact. Start by opening your Google Sheets document on your desktop. Having it on a larger screen makes it easier to see your data and your formulas side by side. Once your sheet is open, click the cell where you want the translated text to appear. This will be the destination for the translation, leaving your original text untouched in its own cell. Now we'll use the Google Translate function. The format looks like this. Google Translate. Text, source language, target language. Don't type the square brackets. They're just placeholders to show what goes where. The first part, text, should be the reference to the cell that contains the text you want to translate. For example, if your original text is in cell A2, you'll use A2 in that spot. Next, replace source language with the language code of the original text. Language codes are short identifiers like EN for English, ES for Spanish, FR for French, and DE for German. Be sure to put the code in quotation marks. If your original text is in English, you'll use N. Then replace target language with the code for the language you want to translate to, also in quotation marks. For example, to translate into Spanish, use S. Putting that all together, your formula might look like this. Google Translate A2 EN S. This tells Google Sheets to take the text in A2, treat it as English, and return a Spanish translation in the cell where you typed the formula. After you've entered the formula with the correct cell reference and language codes, press Enter. In just a moment, the translated text will appear in the cell. If you see an error, double-check that your language codes are spelled correctly and enclosed in quotation marks, and make sure the cell reference points to a cell that actually contains text. A few tips to keep things smooth. Ensure your spreadsheet has an active internet connection, since the translation relies on Google's services. Keep your data organized by placing original text in one column and translations in another, so it's easy to review. Finally, remember that the quality of machine translation can vary with context or idioms, so for critical content, it's a good idea to review the result. That's it. You've just learned how to translate text in Google Sheets with a simple, powerful formula.